It's very common for patients of ours to ask what the audible sound is that sometimes occurs after certain adjustments. The proper term for this is called a cavitation of the joint. Some people refer to it as a popping or cracking sound. We don't like to refer to it as that because that really misrepresents what's happening. All that sound is an air pressure change causing bubbles to pop inside the fluid in a joint. It is completely harmless, it is completely safe, and whether we get the sound or not is irrelevant to the healthful and healing effects of an adjustment. Hope that answers your question.